Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most reliable and efficient power supplies on the market, the Be Quiet Dark Power 13850W Power Supply BN660. If you're building a high-performance gaming PC or a workstation that demands stability, efficiency, and silence, this unit should be at the very top of your list. First up, let's talk about efficiency and reliability. The Dark Power 13 is 80+ titanium certified, meaning it delivers up to 95% efficiency at typical loads. This not only saves energy and reduces heat output but also ensures lower operating costs over time. For serious PC builders, that means fewer wasted watts and a cooler, more stable system. Now, one of the highlights here is ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 compatibility. With next-gen GPUs and components demanding more power and stability, this PSU is future-proofed. It comes with a native 600W12 VHPWR cable, making it perfect for powering today's most demanding graphics cards like the NVIDIA RTX 40 series without adapters or compromises. Noise is another major consideration, and Be Quiet lives up to its name. The Dark Power 13 uses a silent wings fan with advanced fluid dynamic bearings and optimized airflow. Even under load, this PSU stays whisper quiet, perfect for those who want performance without the distraction of fan noise. The modular design is another huge plus. With fully modular cables, you only plug in what you need, which reduces clutter and improves airflow inside your case. Combine that with the premium build quality, high-end capacitors, and multi-rail design for extra stability, and you've got a PSU built to last. Whether you're into gaming, video editing, 3D rendering, or just want a rock-solid power supply for your build, the Be Quiet Dark Power 13850W delivers silence, efficiency, and reliability at the highest level. If you're serious about building a powerhouse PC, don't compromise on the PSU, it's the foundation of your system. Click the link below to get your hands on the Dark Power 13 today, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more in-depth tech reviews and recommendations.